MultiLogin is an advanced Antidetect browser that allows users to create multiple accounts without the risk of linking or bans. It helps businesses, marketers, and affiliates manage separate profiles on different platforms while maintaining complete anonymity. With traditional browsers, multiple accounts on the same device can be flagged, leading to suspensions or bans. MultiLogin solves this by providing virtual browser profiles that mimic real devices, making each account appear as if it's being accessed from a separate computer. Now, let's talk about how you can get a 7-day free trial of MultiLogin. First, visit MultiLogin.com and click on the free trial button. You'll notice they charge a small fee of €3.99, but no problem. We have a special coupon code for you. At checkout, simply enter the coupon code ADSOFFTRIAL, and boom. The total drops to zero, giving you full access to MultiLogin for 7 days absolutely free. With this free trial, you can test its features, create multiple browser profiles, and ensure that your accounts stay undetected and safe. MultiLogin is a game changer for those who need multiple accounts without risks. Try it now with a 7-day free trial and experience true anonymity and security